Welcome to Aqua Adventures. Dive into the wonders of the ocean where its secrets come to life. Can you sink in the Dead Sea? It's a question that has puzzled travelers and scientists for centuries. With water so salty, it seems impossible. But is it really that simple? What happens when you try to sink in one of the saltiest bodies of water on Earth? Let's dive in and uncover the truth behind this ancient mystery. The Dead Sea, nestled between Israel and Jordan, is famous for one thing: its extreme salinity. With a salt concentration that's over 30%, it's nearly 10 times saltier than regular seawater. But here's the big question. Does that mean you can't sink? Or is there more to the story? Water density plays a huge role in buoyancy, how easily you float or sink. And in the Dead Sea, the density is sky high. The water is so salty that it's far denser than your body, making floating almost effortless. To understand why people can't sink here, we need to look at basic physics. In any body of water, an object floats if it displaces an amount of water that weighs more than the object itself. The Dead Sea's hypersalty water has so much dissolved salt, it's denser than your body, which makes it almost impossible to sink. So, no, you won't sink in the Dead Sea. Unless you really try to force yourself down, the water simply won't let you. Instead of sinking, your body floats effortlessly with your legs bobbing up to the surface. This natural buoyancy is just one of the reasons the Dead Sea is so unique. But that's not all. It's also packed with minerals that are said to have healing properties, making the Dead Sea a global destination for therapeutic baths and skincare. Let's clear up a few myths. The Dead Sea is often called dead because life can't thrive in it, but that's not entirely true. While it's true that most marine life can't survive, certain types of bacteria and algae have adapted to its harsh conditions and thrive in its waters. Another misconception: people think the Dead Sea's water is bad for the skin because of the salt, but actually it's quite the opposite. The high mineral content helps treat skin conditions like psoriasis and gives your skin a refreshing, rejuvenating boost. So can you sink in the Dead Sea? The answer is no. The high salinity and density of the water keep you afloat, no matter how hard you try. But that's what makes the Dead Sea so unique and magical: its ability to support you in a way that few other places on Earth can. Next time you visit, forget about sinking. Just relax and let the water do all the work. It's a one-of-a-kind experience that you'll never forget. Enjoyed learning about the Dead Sea? Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to uncover more amazing facts about the world's most incredible places. See you next time.